So I'm going to show you right now how to use the Skyciv, skyciv.com, free moment of inertia calculator. There's the address up here. Okay. We're going to scroll down, and on the left-hand side, here's our calculator. This is for a rectangular beam. The one, if you recall, the one that I made out of cardstock is an I-beam, so I'm going to click on I-beam. Now I need to enter all of the dimensions. I used a regular piece of cardstock, which is the same size as a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So this width going across TFW is 8.5. That's the top width, 8.5. Now it defaults to millimeters, so I need to change that from millimeters to inches. All right, make sure you change that to inches. Okay, the width across the bottom, BFW, is also going to be 8.5 inches, 8.5 inches, okay? The thickness across the top is 2 inches, and the thickness across the bottom is 2 inches. So TFT and BFT are both going to be 2. TFT and BFT are both going to be 2. Those are the thicknesses. The WT, the web thickness, this is called the web in the middle, is also 2 inches, so web thickness is going to be 2. Keep in mind that my whole piece of cardstock was 11 inches. I might need to subtract the 2 inches from the top, so 11 minus 2 gives us 9. Then I'd subtract the 2 inches from the bottom, so 9 minus 2 is 7, so the web height is going to be 7. And now when I'm done, I just click on Calculate. And now it just takes a moment. See how it's got to click down. It's going to give us an advertisement. And then when I'm ready, I just click on Show My Results. And here it's calculated the area. The area of my I-beam is 48 square inches. I is for moment of inertia. We're going to be learning more about them later on. The z-axis is this one that's horizontal. So they're calling it z, not x. So in the z-axis, it's 4.5 inches. Well, if you remember that that the cardstock is 8.5 inches wide, it would make sense that it would be kind of in the middle, 4.25, right? And in the y direction, the centroid comes up as 5.5. Remember that it's an 11-inch piece of paper, so you'd expect that it would be in the middle, which is 5.5 inches in the y direction. Okay. So that's how to use the Skyciv free moment of inertia calculator.